Bi-directional trimmer seamlessly cuts hair in both directions. Integrated skin protector guards your skin while you trim. 1/8 comb comfortably trims longer hair. Showerproof for easy use and cleaning. Shower cord included for easy storage. 1 AA battery is included to power the Bodygroomer. Includes Groomer, 1 trimming comb, shower cord and AA battery. The Philips Norelco Bodygroom 1100 allows you to conveniently and safely trim hair below the neck. The integrated skin protector guards your skin while you trim, while the bi-directional trimmer lets you seamlessly cut hair in both directions. 1 3mm comb is included so you can evenly trim longer hairs. The shower cord allows for easy storage. Packaging includes Bodygroomer, 1 trimming comb, shower cord and battery power. Top reviews from the United States. Your shopping ends here. For $20, this is the one you want. No nicks, no cuts, no nubs. No blood. Trim your nether regions with this thing and forget about all those others at 3 and 4 times the price. Honestly. For $20 it can't be beat. Only used it once, so can't comment on battery life, but who cares? Amazon will sell you a zillion AA batteries for next to nothing. Hats off to Philips Norelco, who really should know more about shaving than anybody else.